Another pickup from Hotkicks.cn or firekicks.cn. We'll go fast because this is not a big one, but it's a good one. Just a pair of Louis Vuitton underwear. Nice Prada joints. Givenchy shirt. Good material. Nothing on the back. Bape shirt. Anything on the back? Yep. Balenciaga shirt, jersey shirt. Anything on the back? Another pair of underwear. And this nice Dior, like wool flannel jacket, whatever the material. So that's about it for this one. It was a good small pickup but a big order, because this jacket, oh, I didn't even know you could unzip that if you wanted to. The zipper is in here. That's it. I love this jacket sweater thing. All right. All these things came packaged up individually. I opened it up to save some time, but they all came wrapped up and packaged up.